Welcome to Pulse of Science. Today, we are going to explore the growing crisis of global memory scarcity, a technological bottleneck that is reshaping the landscape of modern electronics. At the turn of 2026, the technology industry is grappling with a phenomenon that threatens the stability of hardware production. We have witnessed the rising costs of processors and graphics cards, followed by surging prices for SSDs and storage cards. Now, however, we are facing something far more profound: a systemic crisis in dynamic random access memory DRAM. A 1 terabyte SSD has jumped in price from $50 to $110, and DRAM has seen a staggering 172% increase over the past year. This is not merely a consequence of currency fluctuations or geopolitical sanctions. It is a fundamental structural crisis. We are reaching a point where smartphone and laptop manufacturers may face production halts simply because they cannot secure sufficient memory components. The culprit behind this is the rapid proliferation of artificial intelligence and large language models like ChatGPT. These systems are devouring memory bandwidth and storage capacity faster than the global industrial base can produce it. To understand why this is happening, we must revisit the concept of the memory wall, a term coined decades ago. Back in 1995, while the world was preoccupied with the release of Windows 95 and Tamagotchis, researchers William Wolfe and Sally McKee from the University of Virginia published a seminal paper. Their work, titled in translation as "Hitting the Memory Wall," was remarkably prophetic. They identified a growing divergence between the speed of processors and the speed of memory. The anatomy of this AI hunger is complex. We are accustomed to believing that AI progress is driven primarily by computational power, that a faster, more powerful chip automatically results in a smarter neural network. Yet, the data suggests otherwise. Over the last 2 decades, the peak computational power of AI accelerators has increased by a factor of 60,000, while the speed at which data is delivered to these accelerators has only improved by a factor of 100. Modern chips are capable of performing calculations at incredible speeds, but they are frequently left idle because the data simply cannot reach them in time. This is the essence of the memory wall, an imbalance where processing capability vastly outstrips the throughput of the memory subsystem. This problem is compounded by the evolving nature of artificial intelligence, transitioning from simple text-based models to complex, high-resolution generative video. Generative models require massive datasets to be loaded into memory near instantaneously during inference. As models scale, the demand for high bandwidth memory, HBM, has skyrocketed. HBM is a specialized, stacked memory architecture that provides the extreme bandwidth necessary for modern AI tasks. Without HBM, the sophisticated neural networks powering today's artificial intelligence would cease to function at usable speeds. The supply chain for these critical components is exceptionally concentrated. The global AI industry is effectively tethered to a handful of companies, and in many cases, a single geographic node. The reliance on this specific production capability has created a bottleneck where demand drastically exceeds supply, leaving little room for error or market correction. The downstream economic consequences are inevitable. We are already seeing the inflationary pressure reflected in the pricing of consumer electronics. As memory components become scarcer and more expensive to procure, manufacturers have no choice but to pass these costs onto the consumer. If the current trajectory continues, we can expect not only higher price tags on smartphones and laptops, but potentially persistent shortages of these devices. Unlike the cyclical price spikes we saw during the cryptocurrency mining boom, or the logistical disruptions of the COVID-19 pandemic, this deficiency may be permanent. To overcome this barrier, the industry is exploring various innovative strategies. Researchers are investigating new memory materials, advanced packaging techniques like 3D stacking, and novel computational architectures that minimize the need for high bandwidth data transfers. These efforts are aimed at breaking through the memory wall by rethinking the traditional von Neumann architecture that has dominated computing for decades. The challenge of memory scarcity is perhaps the most significant technological hurdle of our time. It is a defining conflict between the insatiable demand of generative AI and the physical limits of our current manufacturing processes. As we move forward, the ability to innovate beyond these limits will determine not just the future of consumer hardware, but the scalability and sustainability of artificial intelligence itself. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the infrastructure behind the intelligence. We hope this exploration has shed light on the unseen pressures driving our technological world. Stay curious, stay analytical, and join us again as we continue to decode the pulse of science.